Hi everyone, Colleen here from LuckyVitamin to talk to you about the LuckyPlanet line. LuckyPlanet is a line of cleaning products created by the LuckyVitamin team. We wanted to bring our customers cleaning products that are strong enough for you to use in your home and clean all those dirty things in your life, but that you don't have to give a second thought to using them around the kids and the pets. We created an assortment where you can clean your dishes to your windows, and everything is going to be plant-based, non-toxic, and cruelty-free. The whole line is free and clear, so there's no extra scents, weird, crazy smells you're gonna get from these guys. And if you want to DIY it, you can add some essential oils from our Lucky Aromas brand and maybe make your toilet bowl smell like lavender. And of course, we created these products with you in mind, so we didn't add any of the bad stuff that you can find in some other cleaners out there. So keep your home clean and green with LuckyVitamin. Try the products out. If you love them, tell your friends, tell your family, and remember to spread the wellness.